Make a great choice today with the 2015 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.